Hello, I'm Codmaster123, and today I will be revealing the trick from last week's video. So if you haven't seen last week's video, pause this video and go ahead and watch it, and when you're finished watching it, come back, and this is going to reveal the trick. You want to get two pairs of any card. So I did jacks and the queens. You can really do anything. It might be better if you use face cards, but really it doesn't matter. But then you want to put them in the same order. So clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. And then square them up. So now for the performance, just going to say this only requires 8 cards. And then have the spectator pick any card that they're just going to think of it, because you don't want to take it out and mess up the order. So then once they think of it, let's say they think of the jack of clubs. You want to do the in jog and up jog. You always want to start with in jogging down, and then up jog, in jog, up jog, in jog, up jog, in jog, up jog. And take the top pile, the up jog, and show them to the spectator. And if they ask them, "Do you see your card?" Now here's how the order goes. You're going to do this 3 times. The first time, the pile with the spectator's card will be on the top. The second time, it'll be on the bottom. And the third time, at the top again. So they don't see their card. So that means the spectator's card is in this pile. So this pile is going to go on top. You're going to in jog, up jog again. Do the same exact thing. Does the spectator see their card? In this case, no, they don't see the jack of clubs. So it means it's here. So this pile is going to go on the bottom. And the third time is the top. So in jog, up jog, in jog, up jog, in jog, up jog, in jog, up jog. And then the last time, do they see their card? Yes, they do see their card. So it's going to go on top. So now we're going to deal the cards into 2 piles. And the very last card you lay down, that's going to be the first pile you use. And then you can say, you can tell me the truth or you can lie. Was your card a queen or a jack? And if they lie, the deck will always know. And it'll show, it always works, that it'll show that it's a jack. Then what you want to do, you want to take this pile, deal from the outside first and the inside. Outside and then inside. Now when you flip this pile over, it'll tell the color of the card. So was your card a black card or a red card? They'll say, they can either lie or tell the truth, but they'll know it was a black card. Now you want to move this top card over to the side and then say, alright, was your card clubs, hearts, spades, or diamond? And it'll show it's a club. And the last card will always be the chosen card. This is a really cool self-working trick. It works every time as long as you follow the steps correctly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to start doing another giveaway, but I really need more subscribers to be able to do that. Also check out the description. I'm gonna start putting my email down in the description. So if you wanna message me or email me privately with any questions, maybe a request to do something, it'll be down there. Also down in the description is the link to my Patreon, which it'll just for a few dollars a month, it'll give you cool access to cool things like more giveaways, more tutorials, just cool things. So check that out. And also my Instagram. Once I start getting a bigger following on Instagram, I will definitely start posting more on Instagram. But thank you guys so much for watching.